Do you want to be able to customize the thumbnail that shows up with your website? It definitely gives it a professional look. Someone had asked this question in the DGC community, so I thought I'd create a video for you and Promised Land Mindset community to show you how to customize the thumbnail that would appear when you put your website on your page or when you send it in a message. So you'll see this is my Facebook page, and I put my website right in here, and the front page of my website shows up. Now, if you don't have this, it's going to be a standard. It looks different. I know it looks different, but if you want to be able to customize this, here is what you're going to do, the steps that you need to take. Okay. And just to give you another example, I have like my Messenger open, and you'll notice here that I have different examples. So here's like my family, and this is the front of my website. So what you're going to do is you want to have a picture saved of the thumbnail that you'd like. So you can do, if you're on a Mac, it would be Control Alt 4, I think. Actually Control Shift 4. And you can take a picture of something, save it on your desktop, or there's also a on PC, there's a snippet tool, and you can take a picture there. Or if you have the graphics saved on your computer, you just need to have what you want to appear saved on your computer. Okay. So step number one is to go to your funnel. So I'm going to go to the sales funnel here. I'm going to click on my capture page, and then you're going to click on edit page here on the right-hand side. Then on the left-hand side, you have this menu here. You're going to click on settings on the very top. And then if you scroll down a little bit, you will see a section that says, ooh, it's under search engine optimization SEO section. You scroll down to where it says social image. Okay. Right now I have the snapshot of my family. So I'm going to X that. I'm going to click on the cloud with the arrow pointing up, and then you're going to locate your file. Okay. So I have files already in here. The left-hand side said upload. So you would just select your file, look for your file on your computer. Or if you already have it saved in your system IO, you can select it. So for example, if I select this photo of me, click on insert, it will state that it's there. There's not a saved name. That's okay, but it's in there. I'm going to make sure to click on saved changes on the top right-hand corner. So now it's saved. Now, if I go back to, let's say, my messenger. So if I go back to my messages and I click on www.sidehustle2sixfigures.com. And there you go. There's my picture. It might take a little bit for it to like process, but you'll notice that now the picture of me shows up whenever I send the page. So someone had asked, like they had like their Facebook page, or you can create a picture in Canva, whatever you'd like, and it would show up there. The second thing I'm going to show you, you'll notice I have tabs open, right? And next to your tabs, when you have open tabs, you have a little icon next to it. So you can even customize that little icon. So if you go to System IO, this is another little trick. Go to your icon on the top right and click on settings. The menu will pop up there. And then on the left-hand side, you want to click on custom domains, and all the way to the right of the domain, there's three dots, and there's three options. You want to select on settings. And then the favicon settings, that's the little icon that would appear on the tabs that you have open. So if you have a customer opening a tab, you could have your own special icon there. Like you'll notice TikTok, like there, I have a tab open and it's the TikTok symbol. So right now I just have a picture of my family. You can't really see it, but I could change that, and I could select that picture of me, click on save. So when I go here and open it, you should see my icon pop up, and it might take a while. So there it is. It's super small, but you'll see my picture pops up right there on the top of the tab. So anyways, I hope this was helpful and answered your question. All right. So hopefully I'll see some of you guys in my community, but enjoy this little hack. If you have any other questions, I'm happy to answer them for you.